We increased our revenue from 3 million to 20 million naira monthly in 2021. This is 1 year after the coronavirus pandemic, where most businesses were struggling. The real story is, how did we do it? Your pricing model can make or break you. You must understand how to engineer pricing as a business owner. Pricing is a positioning statement. I'm telling you, one common mistake that startups make, which most startups in Nigeria usually make, is that we assume that when they say start small, means start with low pricing. Guy, you go fumble. This is a special 6-part series that I'm running. In this series, I'm going to be sharing and exposing, and I'm not capping, those things that I did to grow the Piscina and Fusion brand. So this is part 1. I'll be discussing another powerful strategy that we utilized to grow the brand. At the end of today's episode, you will learn the pricing model that I used to grow our revenue in a time when most business struggled. The coronavirus pandemic shook the world. It was a difficult period. Businesses struggled. A lot of businesses shut down. Some folded up. Some could not even make any form of revenue. But I have to tell you the truth. This was a blessing in disguise for me. When I share this story, you know that truly, Baba God did forever. Before the pandemic, we were stuck in a vicious cycle where we're offering discounts to make sales. Let me break it down. So our average cost was charged at an average of about 60,000 naira per course with a 50% discount. It was a difficult period, but we needed to do that to be able to make sales. The implication of our low pricing strategy was that we had a healthy pool of students. But most of our customers were low income earners. And what happened was that our profit margin was so slim, and then it impacted on the business. I struggled to live up to all our business expenses. It was a really trying period. From nowhere, the pandemic happened. Everybody stopped. The whole world stopped. This one was not a pause, it stopped. I had to pause, and then it was a break I needed. So what I did was I met with my team, and then we decided to rebrand the company and then also reposition our pricing. So we decided to change our pricing from 60,000 naira for an average cost to about 120,000, and then we took out the discount. And guess what? It worked. The result was that we lost all our low income customers. But thank you. And then we gained high valued customers. With the added revenue, we were able to improve the business. And I was deliberate about reinvesting the added revenue. We improved the meals, we got better quality facilitators, we improved the business environment, and then the miracle itself happened. Well, not a miracle, but the impact. We started having corporate clients, and corporate clients was a deal breaker. Now so we spike from 3 million to 20 million. Hey, ori mi ba mi se o. Hey, I buy you too much. Now so Baba started to cash out. Oh boy. And that was what really happened. I have 3 recommendations for you on pricing. The first one is that ensure that your price must cover not just your cost, but you must be profitable. It doesn't make sense for a business to run on just meeting cost. The second one is to ensure that you do not build your business on the discount trap. Yes, I'm telling you, if you are currently offering discount to attract customers, stop, reevaluate, re-strategize, and come up with a new pricing model. Thirdly, don't be afraid to offer premium pricing, what you and I will call expensive pricing. Yeah, all you need to do is that if people say your product is expensive, justify the value by adding quality services to it. My advice for those of us that are just about to start, please do not make that mistake where they say start small and you assume it means start with low pricing. No, starting small means start with a small customer group, but price appropriately. We know this business to suffer, now to cash out. In this episode, I spoke about how we rebranded and then how corporate clients made us successful. In the next episode, I'm going to share more light on this, where I would focus on how we're able to grow the business by pivoting from B2C to B2B. If you're a business owner out there and you want to learn how to grow your brand, you can join my branding course and my 3-month mentorship by going to www.peaceinandfusion.org. If you know a business owner out there that you want to help, you can share this podcast with them. And then you yourself watching, please ensure you subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, what happens is that YouTube will show this to more Nigerian entrepreneurs. This is the way that we can grow our society. I remain your host, Deola Badmus. Stay blessed.